Do you want to have a separate space on your Xiaomi phone? In this video, I'll show you how to turn on second space so you can have a different profile on the same device. First, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the notification panel. Then tap the settings icon to enter the settings menu. In settings, find the search bar at the top. Type second space and wait for the results to appear. Once you see it, tap to open. Now, you'll see the option to enable second space. Tap Turn on second space and wait for the setup process to begin. It will take a few moments to set up the second space. Once done, your phone will automatically switch to the new space. And that's it! You now have a separate space on your Xiaomi phone. You can use it for work, personal files, or any other needs. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others. Thanks for watching!